In this video, we're going over how to unlock your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. And if you find the video helpful, make sure you hit that like button down below and consider subscribing to be updated every time we post new videos. Today, we're going to walk you through how to unlock your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the dialer or the keypad, and you're going to type in *#06 and then pound. That's going to show us our IMEI information. Make sure you write down the first IMEI you see right here. We will need that for later on in the video. Next, we're going to just swipe up to get out of that. Swipe up one more time and then tap on Safari. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First will be manufacturer, which is Apple. Next is the model, which we're going to select. So you'll select either the 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max, depending on which Pro you have. And then tap Unlock Now. And then here, we will just need to swipe up and answer questions about where you purchased the phone. So for us, it is United States. The carrier is going to be AT&T. Hit Next. And then on this last screen here, you'll need to input the IMEI you got in the first step of the video, your full name, and a delivery email. They're going to send you a series of steps to complete the unlock. So that's why you need to make sure your email is correct. They also will have a contact number, and they only charge $20 to unlock the phone, which is a super reasonable price. You're gonna tap on, and here is the average delivery time section. So it's showing you can expect a response from them anywhere from an hour to 48 hours. So it could take up to 2 days for you to get those final unlocking steps. So just so you have an expectation or an idea of when they will respond. After that, you're gonna tap Order Now, and then you'll check out with a credit card. You will need your SIM tool that you'll find in the box of the phone. If you don't have this, you can find a paper clip and just bend it back. Essentially, you'll need to take out the SIM tray and take out the old SIM card and make sure you have your new SIM card ready for the service you would like to use the phone with. So, for example, this is an AT&T iPhone, and if I wanted to use it with T-Mobile, I should have my T-Mobile SIM card ready to put in the phone once I get those unlocking instructions. A couple of important things to note about this website and this company, and one of the reasons why I love to recommend this company is they do have a toll-free number at the top of the website here that you can call. They have a number you can text 24 hours a day just to get a status update on your order. And if you go back to the main screen of the website here, they do offer a 100% money back guarantee if for whatever reason they're unable to get your phone unlocked. So you kind of have that assurance built in that if you have any issues, you can contact them, and also you can get your money back if the process doesn't work out. So anyway, guys, this has been how to unlock your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max. Once you go to the website and submit and you get those final instructions, you're going to follow those instructions, and that will get your phone unlocked. So hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.